How to find your ad preference on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your ad preference on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook and now click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there and just click on privacy and checkup and click on the pink one, which is your ad preference on Facebook, and just click on continue. And here, this is your app preference. Click on next, next, next again. So this is it guys, just follow those steps. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.